Is this fully loaded four-bolster logging truck legal to drive on highways in the state of Mississippi? Well, first we need to calculate the length of the four-bolster trailer. The majority of trailers are 42 feet in length, but some are 40 feet. We can assume this trailer is 42 feet in length. Then we can estimate the overhang length, or the amount of length of the logs beyond the rear axle of the trailer. And based on the trailer being 42 feet in length, we can estimate the overhang past the rear axle. Is this legal in the state of Mississippi to drive on highways? To answer that question, we can look at the actual code, the Mississippi Code, and we can go to section 63.519. And we can zoom into part 6. And we can see here that it states more formally that the load upon the rear vehicle of a combination of vehicles transporting forest or agricultural products in their natural state shall not project more than 28 feet beyond the rear axle of the vehicle. Well, we're not extending more than 28 feet, so we are legal in the sense of the combination of vehicles, meaning in my interpretation of this is the tractor trailer, the tractor, cab, or truck, and then the logging trailer, the four-bolster trailer in this case. Thank you.